This is Dave with Kind, and today we're going to look at hooking up Kind Billing with an existing product using plans, features, and all of the good stuff that Kind ships out of the box. So the first thing we're going to want to do is to set up a new environment. Now, by default, Kind gives you a production environment, but when we connect to Stripe, that's going to use all your Kind production keys, and it's going to enable you to use real card details, which isn't what we want while we're developing. So the first thing we're going to do, I'd recommend, is that you spin up a new environment. You get, I think, 2 free on the free plan. The great thing about that is it enables you to have a tinker around. You can use all of Stripe's card details, all their test credentials, and just give it a spin without actually doing anything for your production users. So now that I'm in my development environment, I'm going to head through to Settings, Billing, and I'm going to connect to Stripe. Now what it's doing now, it's making an API call to Stripe, and that's going to do the initial connection. It creates a linked account between Kind and Stripe. At this point, it doesn't have any of your business information over there, and you're going to be required to hop over to Stripe to complete that. So here I've redirected over to Stripe. Now I have a previous business already, so I'm able to just hop in and use those details and it'll pull all of that information across. But it is important to note that this will be a new Stripe account. It won't pull over any existing customers or anything like that. It's purely going to use all your existing business details that you've already created. The cool thing about Stripe Test is it does actually give you test bank details that you can use. So yeah, super handy for getting just up and running quickly with this. It's going to submit all that information, and then when it's done, redirect back to your Kind account. And we can see that that is now connected. We can choose our default currency. So let's say we're British business, so we're going to go ahead and do GBP. And we're going to want to show pricing tables when customers sign up. Now, it might be that you don't want users to be able to self-sign up during the auth flow. Assuming that you do, I recommend that you switch this on. That just about wires it up for your Stripe connection. In the next video, we'll look at plan groups, plans, and features.